Hi Year 5. After watching this video, you are going to make a mind map just like this one. I'm going to show you what to do for length, then you're going to do the same with weight, time, and volume or capacity. There is lots of language support up here if you need it. Before you start making your mind map, click on these two links to open these two documents. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the word measure in the middle of my piece of paper. I'm doing this on my computer, but you're going to do it on paper. Then I'm going to choose a color to start length. I'm going to choose red color and write the word length. I'm then going to add some subheadings. I'm going to add we measure. I'm going to add instruments. Now, an instrument is a tool or a thing we use to measure, like a ruler or a stopwatch. I'm also going to add the subheading units of measurement. Units of measurement are how we count the size of something. So when we're measuring length, we use centimeters. When we're measuring time, we use seconds or hours. And for angles, we would use degrees. I'm then going to add two further subheadings, metric and imperial. Metric is a new unit of measure, which is easy to compare, like centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Imperial units of measurement are old units of measure like feet, hands, and yards. I'm going to start with this subheading here. I'm going to think of examples of things that we measure in length. So we measure our height, how tall we are in length. We might also measure how long a basketball court is. I'm just going to turn those to red. Now for instruments of measure, these are tools or things we use to measure length. Well, in school, I always use a ruler. What other tools, instruments can we use to measure? If you're not sure, open up this document, Instruments of Measurement. Got a ruler here, and you could use a measuring tape or a trundle wheel. So I'm going to add in trundle wheel here. Next step is to think of the units of measurement when measuring length. So I'm going to open up this document, units of measurement. Now, to measure length, I know we use millimeters, centimeters, because I see those on my ruler. Meters are connected to centimeters, and so are kilometers. So I'm going to add those all here. I think these are metric. I think they are newer units of measurement. Start with the smallest one, millimeters. And add centimeters, then meters, then kilometers. And change that to red. Now for imperial units of measurement, I'm going to go back to this document. Now I've heard of inches before, and inches are on my ruler. And I've also heard of yards and feet. And miles are also used to measure length because you measure the distance you travel in a car using miles. And I'm going to add those ones here. Inches, feet, yards, miles, more. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I have done for measures. For length, you need to now do the same, adding weight, time, and volume or capacity.